It's about 9:30 on a Sunday. My last day to sleep in. It's awful. Not sure what we're gonna get into today. Not sure. Maybe farmhouse, maybe music, maybe duster. I don't know. Okay, so I'm doing some laundry. So I figure while it's doing it, maybe I'll do a little minor stuff here and there to the farmhouse. Because Corinne's watching YouTube videos, so I can't really do music. I guess I could, but yeah, we're gonna do this. Okay, so I've got those things. I guess they were for the old ceiling or something. And I am taking them off. And I've also got to fix these little weird things. I don't know what they are, but we're gonna put 2x4s sideways like they're supposed to be. And then I'm gonna put a piece of sheetrock up right there. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm pulling these little staple things out. And that is what it looks like. Kind of a pain. It's a lot of a pain, actually. Today, I got up 2 pieces of sheetrock and wired up these 2 boxes. Sounds all dusty in here. And removed like a zillion little staple things out of that. It's not really done, but you know, it's getting there. So yeah, so got 3 sheets up. Woohoo! Starting to look a room. And I realize now that it's almost 3:30. I haven't eaten anything yet. So, I need to remedy that. I also need to go by Chad's. So, I also need to go to the grocery store because I don't have any drinks. It's like, why? Why can't I get, that's like a power bill. You never ever get it paid off. So, drinks are the same way. So I guess I will go to the grocery store, get something to drink for this week, and then go to Chad's. I also got to call Jegs to get that radiator sent back. Too much stuff. Buddy, he's like, you see me, don't you? Yeah, I do. Where are you going? Just in case you're wondering, making loads in a racket does not deter snakes at all. I've been hearing this techno dance party thing going on, drilling, hammering, all kinds of stuff, and clearly this guy's not even bothered by that. Okay, so now we're going to the grocery store first, and then probably get some food, because I still haven't eaten, and it's now like 4 o'clock. And then, head to Ched's. There's too much stuff to do. Too much stuff. Oh, but I did get one load of laundry done, and the second load is in the dryer, so that's good. Got that done. Alright, so as you can see, things low. Need to raise this up a little bit. Oh, man. Alright, so it's about 5:15. Time to go to the store. Got it raised up a little bit. Not a lot. But, you know, a little bit helps. And, yeah, so looked at it for a while. I got the PCV valve hooked up. That wasn't nothing, but yeah, so getting there. I gotta get some stuff for the grocery store. Get back, fold my last got the burps, I'm on the camera. Fold my last load of fold my last load of clothes and put them up, and then just kind of relax a little bit. Maybe, I don't know what I'll do next. I guess I need to work on a tune. Might go ahead and get it loaded up and see if anything bites. I don't know, maybe not, we'll see. But yeah, so that's where we're at. Store time. All right, it's about 5:48. Crap ton of people coming in here now. Probably a good time to shop. But so grocery store is done. Now I gotta go to the house and unload stuff and finish folding laundry and blah blah blah. But got Corinne some wine because I'm super nice, and got some turkey and baby Swiss and some biscuits so I can make those, maybe some work. Got 2 pizzas, drinks, and some cereal. So yeah, that's what we got. Okay, what's going on here? I don't know. There we go. Okay, so day 124 is in the books. Sadly, another weekend is in the books, which means I get up and go to work tomorrow. Oh, to touch on the other thing, I haven't really finalized the whole vehicle thing yet. I think they're going to let me take the termite truck home, which seems kind of weird, but maybe that's just like a for now thing. I don't know. So maybe I'll get that next week sometime. But anyway, so this weekend we have done some things. We worked on Farmhouse a little bit. We got some tint on the reflectors. Blackie, I'm in video time. So demanding. Got some tint on the reflectors. Rinsed on the duster a little bit. Got the ride height up a little bit. Not near enough for that exhaust, but I mean that header, but it is what it is. Mowed a lot. So of course had to get diesel. We had to go get a battery, and it's just got laundry done. Was another thing got done. Did the dishes tonight and made some biscuits for me for next week. So maybe I'll eat those. I don't know. So I don't know. It's just been busy. Busy. But at least the mowing's done. I definitely won't have to do that next weekend, so that's good. But yeah, didn't really get to work on a song. Started trying to download stuff, but internet was being janky. Plus, Corinne's watching like streaming videos, so I don't know if that matters or not, but she chokes up the bandwidth sometimes. Anyway, yeah, so trying to think if there's anything else we did. No, I think that's about it. So I'll go to bed soon because I gotta get up early. Oh well. Oh, gotta see a snake. And oh, I was gonna tell you this. There was a skunk, big one, like way bigger than any of our cats. Probably in the backyard. I was going to videotape it, but I was on the phone, so I couldn't videotape it. Tried to tell Corinne, of course, she's not the quickest to come out and look at stuff, and it was already gone, hidden by the time she got out there. So, anyway, so Skunks and Snakes Saturday. No, Skunks and Snakes Sunday. That's today.